Why is 2 and 7 here? Oh, we're just I and D's replacement because they're having a play date with E and J. Alright, are we ready for the swings next? Sure thing, I. It's okay. We'll just wait for them to come back and then we'll do take 22.
But we have another different letter.
But. D? Oh, I'm just D's replacement because D is sleeping with number block 1 right now.
More waiting. After we'll do take 23.
Why does it say
Set
TVO
way.
again just like in movie 1?
Oh, I am just Kay's replacement because Kay and P-Head and little Viacom and Woody are at Woody's house playing Become Woody on the computer. Sadly, I have no footage.
After he comes back, then we'll do the next take.
Come on, cut. Why is Kipper is here? Oh, I'm D's replacement because D is going to Westfield Mall with uppercase X. Sorry I cannot show footage. Okay. We will just wait until D will come back from Westfield Mall and then we'll do take 26. Cut. Why is Evil Anna is here?
Was D about to sneeze? He tried, but now he's Ayo. Oh, D's sneeze was so powerful, it damaged the whole studio. This will take hours to rebuild it. After, then we'll do another take. Alright, who is responsible for painting the TVO black? Actually, it was Kay's fault this time. What do you mean? Oh, you're right, D. It's okay, Kay.
W.
Paint it back to normal and then we'll do take 29. The blue T's inflated.
U is overflated.
Great, first degree no.
S.
Now the blue T.
U.
Yeah, I don't see what's the point. Guys, I don't mean to interrupt, but the blue T's about to pop with water. It's okay, we'll just dry ourselves and then we'll do take 30. Extreme major cut. We have another different letter. What? F? Oh, I'm just here because I is having a picnic with Minimax and Sinar.